Create a square file. My file is 1080 by 1080 pixels. Create a gradient layer. Select or create a gradient with 3 colors. Select Reflected as the style. And make the angle 45 degrees. Right-click on the gradient fill layer and select Rasterize Layer. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the gradient fill layer. Then press Ctrl+T. Connect the width and height with the chain icon. Make the width 95%. The height should also be 95% now. Rotate 3 degrees. Press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+T to create the spiral. Do this until the spiral is finished. And that's how you create this gradient spiral.